According to NASA, this explosion is so powerful that it's capable of wiping out entire galaxies. So, what is this explosion, and why is it so dangerous? To understand this explosion, we need to start by talking about a particular type of star called a hypernova. Hypernovae are the most massive stars in the universe, and when they die, they explode in a massive burst of energy that can outshine entire galaxies. These explosions are called supernovae, and they are some of the most violent events in the universe. But hypernovae take it to the next level. Instead of just exploding and releasing their energy into space, hypernovae release intense beams of gamma rays, which are the most energetic form of light. These beams are so powerful that they can travel billions of light years through space and still be detected by telescopes on Earth. Now, here's where things get really interesting. NASA recently announced that they've detected a hypernova so powerful that it's capable of wiping out entire galaxies. This hypernova is called GRB 190829A, and it was detected by NASA's Fermi Gamma Ray Space Telescope in August of 2019. According to NASA, GRB 190829A released more energy in a few seconds than the Sun will release in its entire lifetime. To put that into perspective, the Sun is expected to last for another 5 billion years, but GRB 190829A released the same amount of energy in just a few seconds. So, why is this hypernova so dangerous? Well, the intense beams of gamma rays that hypernova release can have devastating effects on anything in their path. If a gamma ray burst were to hit Earth, it would strip away our atmosphere and expose us to deadly radiation from the Sun. The radiation would be so intense that it could cause widespread mutations and even death. But that's not the only danger. Gamma ray bursts can also have a profound impact on the entire universe. The intense energy released by hypernova can disrupt the formation of stars and galaxies, essentially halting the growth of the universe. This could have catastrophic consequences for the long-term stability of the universe. So, what can we do to protect ourselves from a hypernova like GRB 190829A? Unfortunately, not much. Gamma ray bursts are incredibly rare, and we have no way of predicting when or where they will occur. Our best hope is to continue studying these explosions and learning more about them so that we can better understand their potential effects on the universe. In conclusion, NASA's recent warning about the most extreme explosion in the universe is a sobering reminder of just how dangerous the cosmos can be. The hypernova that was detected, GRB 190829A, released more energy in a few seconds than the Sun will release in its entire lifetime, and it's capable of wiping out entire galaxies. While the chances of a gamma ray burst hitting Earth are slim, the potential consequences are catastrophic. We must continue studying these phenomena and learning as much as we can about them to protect ourselves and the universe as a whole.